Very good morning, all of you. I hope you all are fine, you all are good. Here you can see on page number 109 to 111, the word building is given. The word building is given. You have to learn that, isn't it? You have to learn that word building, isn't it? The forming of verbs from adjective, forming of nouns from verbs, forming of nouns from adjectives, forming adjectives from nouns, forming verbs from nouns. That you have to do. You have to by heart that. Now let's come here on page number 111, exercise number 5. Fill in the blanks with proper forms of words given in the brackets. Now in the brackets, the words being given, you have to frame those words. Now let's see what it is. First is, we must show dash to animals, kindness to animals. I managed to get a dash seat in the train, comfort, comfortable. Then he showed great dash in listening to us, patience, patience. I have never been in doubt about my friend's dash, sincerity, sincerity. Then fifth, Ramesh will soon dash the date of his arrival, confirm, confirm. His polite manners are helpful nature. His polite manners and helpful nature dash him to every member of the group. Endeared, endeared. Now see here, prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes means the word itself, it says that you have to add up something to the word and before to it. Pre means before to the word. Prefixes un, in, is, ir and dis, they are used to give adjective and some verbs and nouns a negative meaning. See here, exercise number 6. Complete the sentences by adding prefixes to the words given in the brackets. First is, I'm sorry, I dash your message completely. I misunderstood your message completely. Then next, she was here a minute ago, but then she dashed somewhere. She disappeared somewhere. Next, we normally share opinions, but I dash with you on this subject. I disagree with you on this subject. Next, do not be so dash. I'll talk to you when I am free. Do not be impatient. Then turn to the next page, page number 112, the fifth one of the same exercise. His room is so dash. Tell him to do something about it quickly. Untidy. Untidy. Sixth, you are not only dash but also dash. It will be, you are not only impolite but also irresponsible. Next, your handwriting is dash. Nobody can read it. It's illegible. Illegible. Next, Hari is dash of doing hard work. Incapable. Incapable. The dash air has caused spread of many diseases in Delhi. Impure. Impure. Next, the judge is known for his dash and dash judgments. Illogical and unfair judgments. Then see here suffixes. Suffixes you are going to add in the last of a word, isn't it? Just after the word you have to add. And suffixes are made by adding the word meant, iron, Asian, ing, ness, ity, or ist, isn't it? Now see here, exercise number 7. Complete the passage by adding suffixes to the words given in the box. In the box the words being given and you have to add suffix to it. Let's see what it is. In his first broadcast on dash on television since he won the dash last month. election last month, the Prime Minister promised to make health and dash two of his top priorities, that is education, and in a strong attack on the previous dash he said strong attack on the previous government. He said that the present dash of the economy, present weakness of the economy was caused entirely by their dash, by their stupidity and bad dash and bad management. The people would soon see clear signs of an improvement in the economy by the end of the year. Now, exercise number 8A. Write down an adjective form from these nouns and verbs. Here, nouns and verbs being given, you have to change it to adjective. First is thought. It will be thoughtful. Next, diet, dietary. Next, knowledge, knowledgeable. Next, music, musical. Next, politics, political. Then change from verbs to adjective. First one, break, breakable. Use, useful. Care, careful. Rely, reliable. Wash, washable. Now see here exercise number 8B. Fill the gaps with the adjectives you have made in exercise 8A. You have made the adjective out of nouns and verbs. Those adjectives, see which one is suitable and you have to fill it with it. Okay. So this is your homework. This exercise number 8 is for your practice. This is your homework. Now see here page number 113, exercise number 9. Check your spellings, tick the correct spellings. Here 3 words been given and you have to tick the correct one. Let's see. First one, the second one is the correct spelling, that is ANCE. Then second is, in second also the second only, ANCE. Then in third, the third one, ANCE. Then in fourth, the first one, ANCE. Then the fifth, the first one, ANCE. Sixth, the second one, WARDS, WARDS. Then seventh, the third one, it's together, throughout this word is together. Then eighth, the first one, URE, okay, URE. Then ninth, FITTED, the second one, FITTED, okay. Then tenth, WOOLLEN, WOOLLEN, woolen, the first one, okay. Now listen to me carefully. Exercise number 10 you omit. Exercise number 10 you omit. Make 5 new words ending with ns. Make 5 new words ending with eri. No need to do that. Now come see here the E1, single words for a group of words. All 1 to 20 words you have, all 1 to 20 this group of words you have to learn. You have to learn this, okay. All 1 to 20 you have to learn. Then we are not going to do page number 114. 114 is omitted. You are not going to do that 114. We will not do. We are going to do till page number 113. All 1 to 20 we are going to do. Okay, all 1 to 20 we are going to do. 114 we are not going to do. Now see here from exercise number 5. Exercise number 5. We are going to do first 3 in the notebook. Exercise 6, first 3 in the notebook. Exercise 7 we are not going to do because it's a passage. It's a passage. Then exercise number 8A we are going to do we are going to do from nouns first 3, from verbs first 3. Then exercise 8b, we are going to do first 3 in the notebook. First 3 in the notebook. From exercise number 9, we are not going to do in the notebook, but it will come in exam. And this page number 113, the E, single words for group of words. This also you have to learn. It will come in exam. Okay, that's all for today. Take care all of you. Have a great day ahead.